Ratnagiri Jets playing for pride, as are the Raigarh Royals. Both teams out of the race to the final.
Like we said, one final time for both these teams. It's the Ratnagiri Jets. They won the toss. Gautami Nayak, the captain, has decided to bowl first.
Big news coming from the center there. Ratnagiri Jets have a new captain. No Smriti Mandhana in the leadership role or in the starting 11, because Mandhana has had to depart for national duties for the upcoming India Women's White Ball Tour of England starting later this month. In her stead, it will be vice captain Gautami Nayak who will be leading the Jets today against the Raigarh Royals. No change of guard there. Kiran Navgire still the leader, still the captain, still looking for that first win, remember, at the Adani WMPL. And they've also given the task of wicket-keeping to Shravani Desai.
She's not lived up to her name in this Women's Maharashtra Premier League. Much was expected of her as a captain as well as a batter.
And so many young, talented players, experienced ones alike. The countdown is done. All set for the first ball of the 12th and last match of the league stage at the Adani WMPL. Full toss, played diffidently by Kiran Navgire, the captain, gets off the mark. Back of a length delivery, played uppishly, enough force and muscle in that for the ball to race away to the boundary for the first 4 of the innings. It comes off the... Navgire smacks the leather of that one, and it torpedoes into the fence like a tracer bullet.
Mark. And an excellent shot by Kiran Navgire. She's connected it and it's out of the park.
And look at that. She's hitting them for fun now. First, the fuller delivery. This time, the shorter one.
An excellent shot again by Kiran Navgire.
Yeah, she's hitting them for fun now. This is just bread and butter for someone with the talent and the hitting prowess of Kiran Navgire. 2 sixes and 2 fours, 23 off that over, 48 for Priyanka Godke comes in with some right arm off break. It's her first over this afternoon. Manny right on cue. Right when you say that she's had her problems against the spinners, she hits one straight down the throat of long gone.
Just when we were discussing her technique, she's taken the risk against the spinners, and the spinners will have a last laugh.
और देखिए सबसे बड़ी बात, शॉट्स तो आप कभी भी मार सकते हैं. किरण नवगिरे ने बनाए 37-20 गेंदों में, राइट? लीजिए, एक और विकेट है यहाँ पे.
Look at this, a dream delivery, tossed it up, and look at that turn, right through the bat and pad. An ideal delivery for an off spinner.
For sure, 54 for 2. Shravani unfortunately departs for naught.
और स्पेशली वो किरण नवगिरे को जिस तरीके से आउट किया ना, उससे पहले फील्डिंग देख लीजिए.
Under Sanjay Gharke. And look at that sweep shot. Bisecting the fielder, did she?
What happens? Yes. Touch the rope. Terrific. This time dances down the track, but mistimes it. Straight to the fielder at point.
PL now has a 3-wicket haul. Flight, guile, enough on display. Enough to entice Bhavika Ahire to go with that drive. And eventually, it is Priyanka who has the... Ahire goes back to the hut for a cautious 19 runs.
As Mihika Dhingankar comes in at number 5.
Flicked off the pads, set off quickly for that single run. Easily run, my goodness. Deftly prodded off the front foot, single taken.
There's a tactical retirement here.
Areas there's improvement and very well bowled. Super bowling. कमाल की गेंदबाजी यहाँ पर भक्ति की. लेग स्पिन है. आगे वाले हाथ यूज करते, पर यहाँ पर हल्का सा टर्न. शिवाली शिंदे तैयार थी स्टंपिंग के लिए.
भक्ति की शक्ति
half the side done and dusted of Raigad Royals. Aditi Gaikwad out for 23.
अच्छे पोजीशन में थे. हवे में गेंद यहाँ पर विकेट आ सकती है. बिल्कुल. आयशा यहाँ पर आउट हुई है. Dip into
What he did is allowed Aisha to do what she likes doing, is to take on the bowlers. And with a deep mid wicket and long gone, she sort of set that Ratnagiri Jets. Aisha Sheikh departs for 3 and the Royals 101 for 6.
वाह क्या विकेट कीपिंग किया है. वैसा होना चाहिए. बड़ा शॉट यहाँ पर. हवा में गेंदे यहाँ. बिल्कुल जब से मैं आया हूँ विकेट काफी गिरती रही है. ये
Yashoda Gogre gone for 1. Raigad Royals useful runs at the fag end of the innings, but she's cleaned her up right through.
Royals, what a passage of play for the Ratnagiri Jets. Have a look at that. That is beautiful.
bit of reverse swing there. Absolutely Jaffa. And Isha Patare. बिना कोई विकेट, बिना कोई रन.
To the role of women in their careers. Excellent initiative. And as we were talking about this initiative, Royals in all sorts of trouble here as they lose the 9th wicket in the 20.
6 पे 9.
To get that fifer. And there she gets it. The first ever fifer. And it comes in the inaugural season of the Adani Women's Maharashtra Premier League. And she gets a hug and high fives and pats on the back from the rest of the Ratnagiri Jets team members. 106 all out. And 5 out of those 10 wickets. A spell of off-spin bowling.
बढ़िया गेंदबाजी. ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर इनर एज और बोल्ड. कमाल की गेंदबाजी. ड्रीम स्पेल प्रियंका गोडके का. 5 विकेट चटकाना बहुत बड़ी बात होती है, वो भी T20 फॉर्मेट में. क्या खुशी हुई है वहां पर.
Priyanka Godke completely broke the back of the batting of the Royals. That Royals could score in 19.4 overs. The opening partnership was solid by Kiran Navgire and Bhavika Ahire. 54 runs put together for the opening stand. But then
it was Priyanka Godke who made the headlines. 5 for 10. Oh, she's going to remember this day for a long, long time. And one in particular, that delivery to Shravani Desai. Going to leave the Ratnagiri Jets with 107 to get in their 20 overs after
This performance there. And now this is Gautami Nayak who's come in to open the innings. It's going to be a low scoring match. Yesterday we had a low scoring match. Early
Not put up a big total. How should they approach this bowling effort of theirs, considering
not going to be there with you after a while. And now all you need is 107 runs and 120 balls, less than 1 run and over. 1 run a ball.
and we start off Kaukonen, one at long on. Again dancing down the track and checking a stroke. Needs to be hurried. That's a close one. That's a close call. Anushri Swami needed to be a bit quicker.
Okay, roll it through, one frame. Satisfied, the bell.
Yes, Anushri Swami has to walk back to the pavilion for 1. It's 3. The new batter in is Shivali Shinde, the wicket-keeper batter for Ratnagiri.
क्या कहा था? अगली गेंद लीजिए. स्क्वायर लेग के ऊपर 4 मिलेंगे गौतमी नायक को.
Be better than that. Played that one up Ishley behind square. Will get a boundary. Played that one up Ishley. Nicely done there. Kiran Navgire giving a chase, but the ball will win the race. Oh, clean ball! What a strike!
थी शिवाली शिंदे. वो सोच रही थी आगे की तरफ जाना है कि बैकफुट पे जाना है. इतनी देर में तो गेंद निकल गई. यशोदा, ये भी बहुत बड़ा प्लस पॉइंट है रॉयल्स के लिए. शिवाली शिंदे को जाना पड़ेगा वापस. इन्होंने बनाया 8.
Jagging in, and the batter was not ready for that one. She gets complete.
यहाँ देखो आराम से कमरे में बैठे हैं एसी में. यहाँ मौका बन सकता है. बन गया जी. गौतमी नायक के साथ ये दूसरे बल्लेबाज है जो आउट हुए हैं. और यहाँ पे भी वो सिंगल था नहीं. बहुत दूर रह गई थी.
Freeze it here. The bells has been completely removed from the top of the stumps and batter is short of her ground. I am ready with my decision for the big screen. My decision is...
Yes, a big Ghodke who picked up a 5-wicket haul. Comes in.
dances down the track, comes to the pitch of the ball.
Uses the feet this time, slaps it straight to the field at mid-off, chance of a run out, and this is going to be close. The collection was fairly good from Pradnya Virkar, and it
Roll it through. Roll it through. One frame forward. One frame forward. Yeah, freeze it here.
The Ratnagiri Jets. Priyanka departs for 127 for 4. Hangs the bat across the line. That's the kind of shot that they were hoping for. Short delivery and makes full use of it. After 20...
lots of revolutions on that one. Yet another loopy delivery. This time, Gautami connects the way she wanted it to. And off it scooted over to the rope.
The WMPL. Both the teams playing their last league match, but look at that shot. That went as straight as an arrow. And it
कि कब वो स्टैंड भरेंगे. यहाँ जोरदार अपील होगी. लीजिए. और अंपायर ने आउट भी दिया है यहाँ पे. ईशा कह रही है कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं है मेरे लिए. मैंने दिला दिया टीम के लिए विकेट. गौतमी ये कह रही है भाई डीआरएस का इस्तेमाल करेंगे.
Player review for original decision out, pitching outside of, impact in line, wickets hitting, back to on-field umpire Parashar. Parashar, stay with your original.
What a moment, Vinayak. She's just been dismissed for 22 by Isha Patare. It's for...
cut that away, finds the gap, and the ball will race away to the fence. Boundary coming after.
बैडमिंटन खेलने का मैं जरूर खेलता हूँ. फुटबॉल की वजह से मेरी सर्जरी हो चुकी है घुटने की, लेकिन मुझे अभी भी मौका मिलेगा ना तभी मैं मौका छोड़ूंगा नहीं. यहाँ 4 मिलेंगे. काफी देर तक वो गेंद का पीछा किया था और ईशा वही कह रही है यार 2 ही रन होने चाहिए थे, 4 नहीं होने चाहिए थे. यहाँ पे पकड़ना चाहिए.
That is a good blow. Fielder there. Yashoda won't drop too many. She's a top fielder.
इस टूर्नामेंट की मुझे लगता है ये रायगढ़ रॉयल्स की एक टॉप प्लेयर बनेगी. बिल्कुल ऑलराउंडर है, बल्लेबाजी भी अच्छी करती है, बढ़िया कैच. और लेफ्ट में जाके कैच पकड़ना इतना आसान नहीं होता है. विकेट रत्नागिरी जेट्स की 66 पर 6.
Great. Oh, that's gone through everything. The batter and the keeper and 4 byes.
हेल्प देम. बिल्कुल बड़ा शॉट यहाँ पर सीधा मारा है. बढ़िया फील्डिंग. चौका हो गया और वही दिल लगा के क्रिकेट खेलेंगे अगले साल भी.
That goes straight to long off. Simple catch.
अच्छा कैच वहां पर जाह्नवी का. आगे भाग के आई और बढ़िया कैच. अच्छी गेंदबाजी भी की उन्होंने. और यहाँ पर 8वीं विकेट खोते हुए रत्नागिरी जेट्स. भक्ति मिराजकर.
Swing and a miss. Oh! Suicidal. Run out number 4.
पहला साल था. बड़ा शॉट यहाँ पर पॉइंट के ऊपर सर. 2 रन मिलेंगे. बिल्कुल आखिरी गेंद थी और यहाँ पर अच्छी जीत रायगढ़ रॉयल्स की.
There you go. The end of our last league game here in the inaugural Adani WMPL. 89 for 9 is all that the Jets could manage, and they fall short by 17 runs. There you go. Yeah, it's nice to see a smile on their faces. Isn't that good? In her voice, she knows she's going to come back a far more experienced player with all the learnings from this season. Here's what happened. The Royals scored 106, and in response, the Jets falling 17 run shots, giving the Royals their first win this season.